Guys, I want to show you this. So if you're new into live scoping or active target or anything like that, and you find that you're not always pointing right where you think you're pointing at with your scope or with your active target, what I did is I bought a let me show you what I did here. So I bought a pipe hanger. It's a two-piece hanger that's threaded. You get it at Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's a two-piece. I put a piece of rubber, actually 3 pieces of rubber. I bought a piece of all thread that I cut down. I bought a nut for that all thread, and then I bought a piece of PEX that I cut off there and heated it up and pushed it on the all thread. That way you can screw it in here. Let me get where you can see what I'm doing. You screw it in, and then you can tighten that down with your pliers. And that is lined up with that transducer. So when you're out there, and you can paint it yellow, you can paint it orange, you can leave it white, whatever you want to do. I just threw it on there for this video so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But wherever that thing is lined up for your transducer, your pointer's sticking right at it. So you can kind of see it better. I know the head is, in theory, lined up with the head of your, or you know, the head of your trolling motor is lined up with it. But if you can have this out there a little bit farther, it just, as you can see, it's lined right up with that transducer. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. I'm pretty new to this game. I've only had it on the boat about 6 months. Well, about 8 months now, but I've really only been playing with it about 6. So I'm starting to dial it in a little bit, but that's one of the tricks that I've found that helps me. Hope this helps somebody, and good luck out there.